So in this tutorial we will be learning about the basic STL, that is sort. But in this video I will also use comparator. So let's start. How to sort array first of all. So let's say int n cin n. Okay, now let's take the value n for interval. So let's say 5 2 3 1 8 9 or 9 8. Okay, so here n is size, array of size n, and here we have taken the input. So it will gives us the output. So now you can see the values are not sorted. I am just displaying the values. So how to sort array? So you just have to write sort array comma array plus size of array, and this is all about sorting the array. Okay, now how to sort vector? So let's initialize a vector. And without taking the size, so this is the vector. And now but I'll have to take the n because I have to push the element. So in this way we can take the input, and here the name of the array vector v, and just print a here. Now this sort will not be used. So we have taken the input and you can see the output is here from the vectors. Now to sort vector we write like this: sort name of the vector v dot begin starting comma v dot end. So here you can see the values are sorted now. Let's increase the size. 12 8 0 3 8 6. Now what if you want to sort the array up to a certain size? Okay, let's say up to 5 digits. So v dot begin plus 5, and here after running the code you can see the values up to the 5 values. The values will be sorted. Okay, so here you can see 1 2 3 8 9, and after that the values are as it is. I have to do something more also here. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, now you can see it's only the 5 value will be sorted and rest it will be as it is. So here you can use like this also. After initializing the size up to which element you want to sort the vector, so here you can use this also. And if you want to do up to the end, so you just write end. Okay, so this is all about the sorting of vectors and arrays. Now a term called comparator is used. So when it is used, so I have to do some changes. Let's say here I have pair. Okay, now let's initialize the size of the size of vector n. Now how will we insert the values? So v of I cin v of I dot first and v of I dot second. Okay, so here we are taking the input and let's change this. So now 5 and 2 5 2 6 no 8 6 now 3 8 6 7 6 7 6. Okay, so here I have taken the size 5 and this is the first second element. Okay, so it will store according to the first and second elements. The 2 will be the first and the 5 will be second for the first one. And then how will we sort this? Okay, so here we will use comparator. Okay, so this is a function and we will have to implement this. So bool static. So to sort the pair, here we will write pair. We just write the smaller one, like this is a vector of pair on pair. Okay, so here we will write pair. If you are using vector or vector, then here you will write only vector. So here it will throw a pair, okay, of integer, the same data type I have written there, and you will write and a comma pair of b. Now here you have to write the type you want to sort. Okay, so let's say you want to sort the values according to the second element in ascending order. So you just have to write a dot second. Okay, second is less than b dot second. You just have to write this. It will automatically do what you want, and you don't have to write the if else. Here return this. Okay, so here you can see the values between we are sorted according to the second element. Now if you want to sort the second element reversively, so you have put this. Okay, then you can see the 8 7 6 5 0. Okay, these are sorted reversely and the corresponding values are as it is. So 3 correspond to 8, so here you can see 3 correspond to 8. Now if you want only to sort like this according to the first element, so you can do this also. So it will sort the values according to the first element in increasing order. Okay, this is the by default one. So here if you will not use this comparator function also, then it will sort the element according to the first element in sorted order. Now how will you sort the vectors in descending order? So you just have to write v dot r, here are and here are, and now you can see the sorting will be reversed. Okay, so these are all about the sorting and using comparator. Comparators are used in strings also. I'll use a question there. We will use this comparator in a string. Just you will add the string and according to that comparator the question will be solved. So this is all about sorting. You can use here vectors or vector also, and you can use any of the row or column to sort the entire vector or vector. So these are used in several questions. So in further videos when we will be solving questions, we'll use it. So that's all about the sorting.